In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel, downgrade, or extend your GoHighLevel trial. We'll move through canceling your trial, downgrading to a lower plan, and requesting a trial extension. And I'll show you the one place where all of these options live so you can act quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website and signing into your account dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with the same account that started the trial to see the correct subscription. From your dashboard, click Settings. Inside Settings, open Billing. This is the page that displays your trial status, upcoming charges, and your current plan. Look for the link that says "Want to modify, cancel your subscription?" and click it. To cancel your trial, choose Cancel Plan. Follow the on-screen prompts, select a reason, and continue. When you're ready, click Confirm to finalize. This stops your trial before billing kicks in. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email or on-screen message, and consider taking a quick screenshot for your records. Depending on the policy at the time, access may end right away or at the end of the trial period. If you want to downgrade instead of cancel, you'll use the same path. Go to Settings, then Billing, and click Modify Cancel Your Subscription. Choose the Downgrade option. Next, pick a lower tier plan that fits your needs, such as Starter or another entry-level tier, then confirm to complete the process. Downgrades usually take effect at the next billing cycle, so your current plan remains active until then. Before you finalize, review what features are included at the lower tier so there are no surprises. To request an extension of your free trial, go to the official trial extension form or contact support from the help resources GoHighLevel provides. Submit your basic contact details along with a short explanation of why you're requesting more time. After you send the request, wait for approval. If it's approved, your trial can be extended, often for an additional period like 14 days. Response times can vary, so check your inbox for updates. Here's a quick way to access all options in one place. Navigate to Settings, open Billing, and click Modify Subscription. From there you can cancel, downgrade, upgrade, or start a trial extension request. If you're using GoHighLevel in a browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.